Our first quiz question is, under which of the following section joinder of charges is permissible? Option A, section 219, option B, section 220, option C, section 221, or option D, all the above. Its right answer is answer option D, all the above. If you refer chapter 17 of CRPC, it is titled as the charge. It has two parts. Part A is form of charges which runs from section 211 to section 217, and part B is joinder of charges which runs from section 218 to section 224. A charge can be altered under which section of CRPC? It can be altered under section 216. So right answer is option number B, section 216. Section 216 is titled as court may alter charge. Section 217, recall of witnesses when charge altered. Section 218, separate charges for distinct offences. Section 219, three offences of same kind within year may be charged together. The provisions proving previous conviction is envisaged in which of the following sections of CRPC? It is under section 298. So right answer is option number C, section 298. It is titled as previous conviction or acquittal, how proved. Section 296 is titled as evidence of formal character or on affidavit. Section 297, authorities before whom affidavits may be sworn. Section 299, record of evidence in absence of accused. Next question, in which one of the following sections of CRPC provision for free legal aid is made? It is under section 304. So right answer is option number C. Section 304 is titled as legal aid to accused at state expense in certain cases. Rest of the sections which are given in the option are section 301. Section 301 is titled as appearance by public prosecutors. Section 306, tender of pardon to accomplice. Section 309, power to postpone or adjourn proceedings. Question, which section of CRPC provides for confirmation by the High Court of an order of death sentence passed by the Session Court prior to its execution? It is under section 368. So right answer is option number B. Section 368 is titled as power of High Court to confirm sentence on annual conviction. Section 366 is sentence of death to be submitted by Court of Session for confirmation. Section 369 is confirmation or new sentence to be signed by two judges. Section 371 is procedure in cases submitted to High Court for confirmation. Which provision under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 prescribes the mode of execution of sentence of death, that the convict be hanged by the neck until he be dead? Its right answer is option number B, form number 42 of the second schedule of the code. It is titled as warrant of execution of a sentence of death. You can refer to section 413 and section 414. Section 413 is titled as execution of order passed under section 368, and section 414 is titled as execution of sentence of death passed by High Court. Section 416 is titled as postponement of capital sentence on pregnant women. Next question, hearing on sentence by magistrate is required on conviction. Option number A, in a summons trial case under section 255 subsection 2 of CRPC. Option B, in a warrant trial case under section 248 subsection 2 of CRPC. Option C, both A and B. Option D, only B and not A. Its right answer is option C, both A and B. Both sections 248 and 255 are titled as acquittal or conviction. The difference is section 248 comes under conclusion of trial and section 255 comes under trial of summons cases by magistrate. During inquiry or trial under section 309 of CRPC, magistrate can remand the accused for how many days? For a maximum of 15 days at a time. So option number C is right answer. Section 309 is titled as power to postpone or adjourn proceedings. During inquiry or trial, the accused is remanded to custody under which section? It is accused is remanded under section 309 subsection 2 of CRPC. So option number A is the right answer. Section 309, as we have seen, in the previous question is titled as Power to Postpone or Adjourn Proceedings. Section 167 is Procedure when investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours. Last question of this quiz. An irregularity by the magistrate in which one of the following cases will not vitiate proceedings. We have four options. You have to choose the correct option. Correct option is option number C, tendering pardon to accomplice. For this, you have to refer section 460 and section 461. Section 460 is irregularities which do not vitiate proceedings, and section 461 is irregularities which vitiate proceedings. Now coming to the options, option number C, tendering pardon to accomplice, is in section 460 clause G. Making an order for maintenance is under section 461 clause G. Demanding security for good behavior is under section 461 clause D. Trying an offense summarily is under section 461 clause M.